Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce our group. We are from Berkaspa Hotel and Resort Group. Today we will discuss our company. Please all division can introduce yourself.
My name is Nura Gaya as Marketing Manager.
My name is Nadia Ardianisa as Public Relations.
My name is Salsabila Prat.
My name is Elisa Fitri from HR.
My name is Wanda Fitrianti Dahlan from Food Division.
My name is Winda Fitriani Dahlan from Beverage Division.
My name is Mas Eva Aini from Restaurant Division.
My name is Sharina Gama Millennium as housekeeping.
My name is Tia Anissa as Room Division.
My name is Tisa Suniarti as Engineering Department.
My name is Ega Azafitria from Financial.
My name is Urfi Azmi from Front Office Division.
Today we will discuss our company in initial condition before the pandemic and the problem when the pandemic, and what will we do to solve the problem in pandemic condition. As we know, in pandemic our company has increased financial, start from hotel visitor, income from food and beverage, and another aspect. To know detailed problem, please all division can report all problem, and I hope we can discuss about the suggestion to finish your problem division. Let's start from marketing manager.
Okay, thanks to Mr. Ramdan, our general manager, for giving me an opportunity to give an explanation about our condition in this year. And the initial condition of our marketing is very great. Lots of people are interested in to book a room in this hotel, and most of them felt so happy and glad to book a room in this hotel. But then, since the pandemic, we lack of our visitors. People are feeling not sure to book a room in this hotel because of some reasons. They also get bored of the look of the hotel, and they didn't get any information about the hotels. And I think in order to solve the problem, I need some help of advertising department to make an advertisement that is interesting and share it to all platform in social media, and maybe we can make a renovation of the building and give some decorations. And also we can give the visitors a discount to book a room in these hotels.
Okay, thank you. Next, public relation, please.
Okay, thanks to Mr. Ramdan as the General Manager for giving me the opportunity to explain the problem test by Public Relations Division. As we already know that our hotel already has a good image and is well known both among customer and business partners. The star rating is already good, and we no longer need to bother promoting the hotel in order to attraction customers. But it's been a few months because of the pandemic. The Public Relations Division observed that our hotel was in decline in various aspects. This is very influential on the image of our hotel. If the image of our hotel is bad, of course, the investor or sponsor who work with our hotel will lose their trust. This also applies to potential investor. If this problem is not resolved immediately, we already worried that the potential investor will not cooperate with our hotel. For that reason, I would like to ask for advice and opinion for the solution that I will take to overcome this problem. To overcome this problem, We plan to work with the advertising department to create an advertisement about our hotel. And with the advertisement, it is hoped it will attract the customer and potential investor. For the exposure of the advertisement will be explained in more detail by the advertising division. Okay, that's all from me. For the general manager in other division, I really appreciate it if you give suggestion to our solve problem plan. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank for explanation. We'll continue with advertising.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ramdan. So for this opportunity, I will discuss the initial condition before the pandemic. The number of hotel visitors is very stable. Then, hotel brand advertising is done by means of promotion through social media and providing discount to hotel visitors. However, during the pandemic period and with the implementation of PPKM, the condition of hotel and visitors number decreased drastically. Therefore, to solve this problem, I suggest that the hotel can cooperate with public figures or celebrities and the other organization to improve and maintain the condition of the hotel. In promoting hotels, we can cooperate with wedding organizer and celebrities for hotel promotion through social media by providing discount to attract visitors and raise the hotel brand. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you from advertising. For next, FNB division, please.
Sorry, HR.
Okay, for the next explanation from HR.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Condition before the pandemic in the human resources sector were quite stable and still in an ordinary hotel situation with a fairly good hotel condition in our area, which is a tourist area. After the pandemic, we closed for a while and now we are open again. There is a possibility that more visitors will come, but due to the rules to maintain distance, there are no crowds and the recommendation for cashless payments to minimize the direct contact must still be done because security remains a priority. If we see the current pandemic curve and the possibility of tourism rising again, we are ready to take another customer. In my opinion, we need to rehire some of the employees that we've recently fired. That's all for me. Thank you for the opportunity.
Okay, thank you. For next, FNB division.
Okay, thank you. Now I will discuss about the initial condition in this division is that food is served buffet, or the hotel visitor take food personally according to needs and taste. The problem is that in the pandemic is the state of a food stand that must be cleaner and sterile, and hotel visitors are not allowed to take their own food. The problem solving, I suggest adding human research or hotel staff to pay more attention to the clean lines of the food stand and take food to hotel visitor so that there is no direct contact between food and a visitor who come.
Okay, the initial condition in the beverage division is there are various variants of drinks provided, including fresh juice, milk, coffee, etc. Here, hotel visitors can take the drink as much as possible or can be cold refill using the respective glasses. But there is a problem due to a pandemic like this. So, using the system is not allowed. Hotel visitors are encouraged to use disposable packaging. problem solving for this, I recommend using RTD or ready to drink or disposable bottle drinks to reduce the spread of bacteria or viruses. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you for FNB. Next, restaurant division.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. So, this restaurant is usually those who stay at the hotel or those who don't, because our restaurant has a good rating from various customers. The problem that is currently happening is because of the pandemic. The hotel doesn't have too many visitors because of PPKM or reduced mobility. But many of our hotel customers often ask whether there is a delivery order or not, because they still want to enjoy hotel food even from home. So from this problem, I want to make innovation in the form of delivery service, either directly from the hotel or from existing delivery application, so that our hotel restaurant customer can still taste or enjoy the food from the hotel, even though they enjoy it from home. Therefore, I want to know what you think about my innovation. So thank you, sir.
All right, great. Next, housekeeping and continue by room division.
Okay, so in this opportunity, I want to discuss about the items that are direct contact with visitors. The problem is the items such as bed sheet, pillowcase, and also bed cover. Before the pandemic, those items are not replaced if it doesn't look dirty, but then now we have to replace it regularly. The problem is we need to consider the use of the replacement of those items will be burden the workers, either the housekeeping or the laundry workers. So that because of that, I suggest to adding a few housekeeper. If the replacement of those items like bed cover, etc. will be continued, or another alternative is to spray disinfectant throughout the room after the visitor check out. So that's all from me. I'm really waiting for your suggestion. So will we continue by room division? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for giving me the opportunity to deliver a few things. The things are the initial conditions before the pandemic. The room facilities were not too many obstacles because the facilities were always treated every day. And then due to the pandemic, the hotel was closed for several months, so the room was unused. And the facilities were not fully guarded or maintained, so there is some damage to the room facilities. One of them is already mentioned by housekeeping. And the problem solving from this, I hope that this condition can be repaired as soon as possible to maintain the comfort of hotel guests, and that every room is provided with strict health protocols. And after visitor checkout, the room must be immediately sterilized. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for the opportunity.
Thanks for the explanation. Engineering department, please.
Yes, sir. Okay, about situation before the pandemic, all staff, such as office, boiler, water treatment, AC section, electrical, mechanical, carpenter, and electronics did not have many trouble in both equipment and transportation, such as when serving hotel guests well. The obstacles I received were only in the internet and AC section. With the government rules, PPKM, and it is very influential to hotel visitors who are very decreased. problems during the pandemic, there are some damage, such as because of conditions like this, there are some items that are damaged because they are not used in the long time. For example, such as water conditioners, steam and hot water supply, and cooling. With the problem of some of the damage to the item, I have some solutions. Replacing damaged appliances, especially electricity in hotel rooms such as bedroom television, lamps, water conditioners, cooling or hot by replacing better water conditioners. Checking room light after the checking in room tools such as bed light sets such as hot water or cold water because if it has not been used for a long time, the water will be dirty and the smell of the solution, the hotel will turn off the water in the bedroom. And do not forget to also check the cooling device so that it can still be used when there are visitors back. The hotel will be more careful in checking the facilities in the hotel room before use so as not disappointed visitors. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for engineering department. For next, continue by financial, please.
Okay, thank you, sir. Condition before the pandemic in the financial sector were quite stable and still in ordinary hotel situation with a fairly good hotel condition in our area, which is a tourist area. The problem, the beginning of 2020, the state of the hotel went up quite a bit in January. After the month of February until mid-2021, we experienced huge loss due to the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Even a few months, we experienced closure and our hotel was not operating at that time. We are trying to open stable again from July 2021 with the number of tourists still lacking and several employees have been laid off because of our lack of visitor. And that is a very big problem for the employers because they are laid off without being given a venue. The solving, I think there should be cooperation from our hotel with new investor and with technological advance. Several hotels have collaborated with several supporting applications such as Traveloka, Oyo, Redors, Agoda, etc. I think it's very easy to direct tourists to visit our place. Thank you, Jem.
For next, please explain from front office.
Okay, sir, thank you for the opportunity. Activities at the front office before pandemic usually run smoothly. Many visitors and their entourage pass through the front office and lobby. After the pandemic, we closed for a while and now we are open again. There is a possibility that more visitors will come. But due to the rules to maintain distance, there are no crowds and the recommendation for cashless payment to minimize direct contact must still be done because security remains a priority. So in my opinion, online check-in is the solution to speed up the check-in process at the front office and reduce direct contact. Therefore, I agree with Ms. Ega to work with more hotel booking applications such as Traveloka, Agoda, Redors, etc. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thanks for all your explanation and hard work. As we know that all aspect the company has a lot of problems to fix. For the first thing to fix, I want to focus on fixing finance. Because of that, our company will grow from all aspects. To improve finance, I need help from the division concerned to prepare a strategy. And for the room and housekeeping division, we continue to maintain the clean lines of the hotel area by implementing health protocols, because if we maintain cleans, customer will believe in the facilities or cleanliness of our hotel. For restaurant and F&B, they still serve food that is of course more hygienic, so that customer will believe that the food served is clean. And for the front office, provide friendly service and give confidence to customer that our hotel implements very strict health protocol. Okay, I think that's enough for this meeting. Hopefully the problem in our hotel will be resolved quickly, so that in all aspects it will return to normal. Keep the spirit to advance our hotel during this pandemic. Keep your health and obey the health protocol implemented by the government. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Thank you, sir.
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Thank you,
wabarakatuh.
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.